Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these wooden pallets and candle holder from Dollar Tree. I take the 4 pallets and set them up side by side, making sure they're nice and even with each other. I measure up from the bottom 2.5 inches and mark those and put some masking tape along all of those on those markings. Underneath the tape, I'm painting it with Plaster color chalk paint, and I make sure to get in between each of those slats on there, as well as the edges of all of them. I remove the tape and then touch up the sides and the back side of the pallet. Once that paint is done and dry on each of them, I tape off the Plaster chalk paint and paint the other section with linen color chalk paint by Folkart. And again, I paint the sides in between the slats and the back. Next, I'm taking the candle holder and painting that with the linen color chalk paint as well. I make sure to give that a couple coats. And then after I have that painted and that paint is dry, I cover it with a matte varnish by Waverly that'll seal on the paint so it doesn't chip. I then add some hot glue to the side of one of the pallets and then hold another pallet up against that so it's in the shape of like an L. And then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And then I hot glue the final one on the top, just adding hot glue where they'll meet. And then flip it over, so I'll be working with the bottom of it, which is the linen color. I placed some craft sticks along the bottom. I needed 5 for the bottom portion and then another 2 to glue across them. I take the 5 that will be going inside and trim one of them down, and then take that one as my guide and cut the other 4 to match up with that size. I then line all of those up that I had cut down to size and take the other 2 and hot glue them across all 5 of those. I then add some hot glue to the bottom of the pallets and then place down the craft sticks. And I make sure that the pieces that are glued against those is facing upward into the pallets. I then paint the bottom of that with the linen color chalk paint. I then added some hot glue to the bottom of the candle holder since it's smaller and it'll be able to fit in between the pallets. So I glued that to the craft sticks. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.